Mexican officials in Tijuana have transported hundreds of Central American migrants to a second shelter. A South Korean train entered North Korea as workers began inspecting a railroad line they hope will connect the two Koreas. Leaders from the world's leading economies are in Argentina for 2 days of talks. They are expected to discuss economic development, investment, and other issues. And Marriott is reporting an attack on computers at Starwood hotels. It says information from as many as 500 million hotel guests may have been stolen.